Hello everyone, and welcome to this part of the course on getting started with Angular. My name is Moeed and I will be your instructor for this part of the course. In this part of the course, we will be going over the Angular framework in detail. What is Angular, how to get started with it, and how to build out very fast reactive web applications using this particular framework. So the first question which would come up is, what is Angular? Angular is nothing but a JavaScript framework which is used to build out single page web applications. This might sound a little bit too technical, but if I were to go into details of this, this is nothing more than me saying that instead of having the browser reload every time whenever the user shifts between pages, what Angular does is that it gives that very fast, reactive, mobile-like experience, but in the web application world. So basically, if users were to shift between two different pages, the browser or this spinner over here, it won't load. To give you guys an example, what I'll do is, so this is a dummy application which I've set up. If I click on the sign up page, I go to the register page. So I am shifting between these pages, but as you can see, the spinner doesn't load. Now, if I click on submit, this particular ribbon, red ribbon has come up, but it happened, all of this happened in real time without the spinner or the, or the page having to refresh. Now, how this happens is that JavaScript in real time changes the DOM, and if there are backend calls that need to be made to the server, it does it in real time and doesn't give users it doesn't like sacrifice that real time experience which normal web applications would do. So that is one of the biggest advantages of Angular, is that it does everything in real time. Some of the other advantages of Angular is that it is very powerful. It comes with all of the tools which are needed to build out full-fledged, full-stack applications such as router setup, HTTP interceptor, and guards. Obviously, all of these topics which we will be going over extensively as we move along in this course. And it has an extensive community and has a ton of support. So if you guys were to run into problems, there is someone out there who has run into something similar, and they will probably have some solutions for this. So yeah, I've already said my name is Mohit, and I have over 3 years of experience of using this framework to build out massively scaled products. As we move along the course, we will be building out an e-commerce project in which we will be using Angular to the fullest, along with Django, which will be the other part of this course to build out a full-fledged e-commerce application. I will also be sharing my 3 years of knowledge of using Angular to build out massively scaled applications for different startups, and sharing that knowledge with you guys to make sure that you guys get the best experience possible. So without further ado, let's get started.